Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight on a Mitsubishi Lancer. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. It's also a good idea to check your owner's manual for any model-specific tips before you begin. Next, open your vehicle's hood and find the rear of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or clips to gain clear access to the bulb. Once you have access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing a tab or pulling it straight off. This step ensures no power reaches the bulb during replacement. Now, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your model, you might need to unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into its housing. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Before closing everything up, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is functioning correctly. If it works, replace any covers or clips you removed earlier. You've successfully changed your headlight and are ready to drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.